Welcome back to our number recognition. No trick cards today, guys. We're just going to work on that number recognition. I'm going to start with a few one-digit numbers, then we'll move into two-digit numbers, and then I'm going to start introducing some of those three-digit numbers. So let's start with our first one. What's that number? That is an 8. Good job. Feel free to identify colors as well if you would like. What is this number? 2. Good job. What is this number? 7. Good job. Now we're going to move into some two digits. What's that number? 23. How many tens? 2 tens. How many ones? 3 ones. Good job. Remember, these are random. I'm just drawing from the deck. What's that number? 71. Good job. How many tens? 7 tens. How many ones? 1 1. Good job. What's that number? 93. Good job. How many tens? 9. How many ones? 3. Good job. What's that number? 65. Good job. How many tens? 6. How many ones? 5. 65. What's that number? 73. How many tens? 7. How many ones? 3. 73. Now we're moving on to some triple digit numbers. Feel free to just identify each number in the sequence. What's that number? This number is 554. Okay, so now we're moving on to the hundreds. How many hundreds are here? 5. How many tens? 5. How many ones? 4. 554. What's that number? 742. How many hundreds? 7. How many tens? 4. How many ones? 2. 742. What's that number? 167. How many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 6. How many ones? 7. 167. What's that number? 948. How many hundreds? 9. How many tens? 4. How many ones? 8. 948. What's that number? 782. How many hundreds? 7. How many tens? 8. How many ones? 2. 782. Good job, everyone. Make sure that if you are playing this game, you can use the single digit, the 2-digit, or the 3-digit. It's whatever works for you. You can also still use your skip cards if you want to, and your wild cards, your draw two, and your reverse. I just decided to purely focus on that number recognition today. Good job, everybody. Let's go over our worksheet for today. It's called Count the Animals, and it should have a label up here saying Week 3, Day 4 Math. We are all caught up with those worksheets. So it said, the directions say count the animals in the picture, use tally marks below to show how many animals of each kind live on the farm. If you want to just write the number down here, I'm okay with that as well. I'm going to do one with tally marks and one with the number. So I'm going to do number 1 and number 2 in different ways to show you ways that you can do this. So we're counting how many cows are in our picture. Okay, the cow looks just like this. Okay, so we're gonna count our cows. 1, 2, 3. I only see 3 cows, so I'm going to put down the tally marks. 1, 2, 3. That's what our tally marks looks like for our cows. Now I'm going to count the horses. So this is what our horse looks like, and we're counting the horses in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just going to write the number 4. So you can either put tallies or write the number. I'm okay with whichever one you would like to do. And that is your activity for today. Good job, everybody.